What's going on, guys? JMoss here. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a scrolling screen grab on your iPhone, okay, or like a screenshot. So if you're on a Google search result and you want the entire thing, not just what is on your actual screen, but all the results below, or if you're on a website and you want the entire thing, okay, that entire page, not just what is on your screen, this is how you do it. I can't believe I didn't know this before. Let's hop into it. All right, and here we are on mobile, and all I've done is I'm in a Safari browser and I've gone to Google and I've searched for Bigfoot. Now, this will work if you're using a Chrome browser as well. It really doesn't matter. Now, if I do the screenshot function, all I'm gonna do is get a screen grab of what is on my actual screen, okay? But we want this entire thing, okay? This entire search result, kind of like a scrolling screen grab type of thing, right? So how do we do that? Well, do the normal screenshot function, okay? And click on the preview, all right? So I clicked on that preview and it pops this open. Now, if you see here, and this kind of, you know, I don't know why I've never noticed before. It kind of actually makes me upset because I've missed out on it for so long. But in the top left-hand corner, you'll see where it says done. Right below that, it says screen, okay? To the right of that, it says full page. And I know a lot of you right now have just like jaw drop moment, right? Head explosion. You've never seen that before. I did not ever notice that until just the other day. It's crazy. So if we click on full page, you'll see now on the right-hand side, if I grab it, we're going to be able to do this entire scrolling screen grab. Amazing. At the bottom, you still have all of your tools, okay? So you can still do, you know, text and signature, drop arrows, do stuff like that, all right? Still have all those options. And you still have the share options in the top right. But I'm going to go ahead and hit done on the top left. And when I do that, it says save PDF to files. So you save the PDF to file. And just like that, it saves it to your download folder on your iPhone. If you hit save, it is done. Now that is a PDF, it is not an image, okay? So to find it, just come to your phone and we're gonna search for files, okay? And there is the file right there in the middle. And this is that PDF. We can mark this up, we can share it, we can do all the stuff that we want to do with it, just like normal. But that is how you do a full mobile screen grab on an iPhone. Very, very simple. Hopefully you learned something today. If you did, please smash that like button. Consider subscribing. I got, you know, good stuff like this all the time. I appreciate your time today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.